Hello, this is the OSUIT Library, and today I'm going to kind of give you an overview of the Hoopla homepage. So if you don't know what Hoopla is or how to get a Hoopla account, that's okay. If you look in the top right-hand corner, it'll tell you the steps to make a Hoopla account, and it'll also tell you where to go once you log in. So this is our homepage currently. I'm logged in under my username, and you can see right here we have my Hoopla, and that will give you, like, for example, if you already have something borrowed, you can see that. Whatever favorites you have, because you can favorite things, and then just your borrowing history right there. To the right, if you just want to look for a certain format, so like for example, if I wanted to look at just ebooks, that's going to give me only ebooks. So it's going to give me some like popular ones, their most featured ones. So for example, I'm going to click on Pretty Girls by Karen Slaughter. And you can see right here that it has like all your information, but something important is that you'll see this heart right here. And so what I just did was I unfavorited. So if you ever want to save something for later, like I have a list of books, like a to be read list, that's how I mark it for me. Now, if you have one that's just a favorite that you just want to keep in case you want to reread, you can also do that too. It's either one. So I'm going to go back. If you already know exactly what you want in terms of title, in terms of keyword and everything else, you can go ahead and do your searches. The really cool thing is it has trending ones. So like, for example, Iron Flame, very good, but do read Fourth Wings first because that's the second one. You can just click that and it'll search for it. And then you can also specify if you want it to search in a certain format, if you want to search by author, any type of publisher or series, if that's something that you need. Again, I'm going to go home. So we have like our trending. So these are things that are like the most popularly checked out. Our ebooks, these are the most popular ebooks. You also have things like our audiobooks are right there. Comics are right here. We even have movies and television episodes, even music like Sabrina Carpenter's new album. And then just this bottom part right here. So pretty easy to navigate. If you ever have any questions, you are welcome to come to us and ask, and we'd be happy to help you out. But otherwise, happy exploring.